So this lab is for aircraft reciprocating engines, so our piston engines. We have a couple different classes that we operate in here. One of them is our sophomore level Intro to Reciprocating Engines class and lab. And what they will do is they will actually take apart and inspect, clean, and reassemble an aircraft engine. So in some of these labs, you'll see the actual engine, and it's now in a whole lot of pieces that the students are taking apart, inspecting it, like I said, getting it ready to put back together. One of the great things about this is they're going to run this engine. So by the end of the semester, that engine will be back on these stands that you see over here, and it'll go outside and it'll get run. And it's a great opportunity for our students just to see how the engine works, and then work with tools, work with the manuals, work with all the different things. And then that great feeling of accomplishing something where you've actually run the engine. So now you can say, hey, I took this engine apart, I put it together, and it ran, and it fired up just like it's supposed to.